Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I know I never look crazy in my intros, but I wanted to try something a little different today. Also, I just didn't feel like waiting until my hair was done to actually film my intro because most of the time I forget to do it. So today I'm going to be doing a perm rod set. I feel like I haven't done one in a while now. It's been a little over a week since I washed my hair, so it's definitely time for me to wash and deep condition and go through the whole process that I showed you guys in my full wash day routine. If you haven't checked that video out, go ahead and do so now. I'll go ahead and leave the little thingy somewhere up here. Before we jump into this perm rod set, are you subscribed? We have time, we'll wait. And now let's jump into the video. So I just washed my hair and I do have some leave-in conditioner in, but now I'm going in with that Marc Anthony Hair Care Smoothie Cream and I'm just working that through this section. I think I went ahead and split my hair into 4 larger sections, and from there I'm just randomly taking smaller pieces, and that's where I'm gonna go ahead and apply the perm rod. So because I have so much product on my hair, I know that my ends are gonna stay just fine. So I go ahead and start rolling from the top this time. If you guys have seen some of my other perm rod videos, then you know that I like to start from the bottom of my hair and work my way up. This time I did not do that and it came out fine. Also, I'm not putting it so close to my scalp, especially in the back, just because I want my hair to have some length to it still. And if I put it all the way up against my scalp, it's gonna look shorter than what it actually is. So I don't mind if the top is not curled because the rest of my curls are just gonna cover that anyways. And of course, I'm gonna go ahead and just do that process around my entire head until it's covered in lovely perm rods. Now, when you use as much product as I did, it does take your hair a little bit longer to dry. So I did sit under my hooded dryer for like 2 hours, and even with that, my hair still wasn't 100% dry. I just didn't have the time to wait any longer. So this is what it looks like. And then this is how it looks after I finish drying it. Again, it's not 100% dry, or some pieces are not 100% dry. These pieces are, and you can see that bounce and that shine, yes. But that piece was not dry. This piece was not dry. You can see the ones that are hanging a little bit further. They're not 100% dry yet, but honestly, I didn't mind. I like the whole elongated look. Before I started unraveling, I did sit for another few hours just to let the pieces that were wet dry a little bit more, and even still they weren't 100% dry, but ain't nobody got time to be sitting around looking crazy all day. So I just went ahead and took some coconut oil on my hands, and now I am going to randomly start separating to give myself some fullness and just to make sure it looks the way I want it to look. If you want to leave it as is after you take the perm rods out, then that is completely up to you. You do not have to follow every single step in this tutorial. I'm just showing you guys what I do to make it look how I want it to look. Once I've separated enough, I do go ahead and pick. I don't get too crazy with it because I know as the days go on, it will get bigger and bigger. But this is it, guys. Super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, leave me some comments, and of course, I'll see you guys in my next video.